Top 6 Foods Rich in Collagen, How to Restore Collagen in the Face. Top 6 Collagen-rich foods you should be eating every day. What is collagen and why you need collagen for skin? In your body, collagen is mainly found in your skin, bones, and joints. In addition, it can be found in the lining of the gut. We have now understand that gut wellness is incredibly vital for overall health. Collagen in your body comprises of amino acids which wrap jointly to create a triple helix structure. The helix structure is exactly why collagen is indeed strong. Why you need collagen. Our bodies can easily make collagen from the amino acids we eat through food. As we age, our bodies aren't able to create collagen. As a result, by age of 30, collagen creation decreased by 1% to 2% annually. By the age of 40, we've lost 10% to 20% of our collagen. Our bodies need amino acids to create collagen. If you are eating a diet which is low in those vital amino acids, the body won't have the ability to produce adequate amount of collagen. Then you have to take collagen peptides as collagen pills or collagen supplements. What foods help produce collagen for rebuilding collagen naturally? Here are the top dietary sources of collagen food and how to naturally boost collagen with collagen food supplement. 1. Gelatin. Gelatin is actually a cooked type of collagen. It is normally created by boiling the connective tissues of pigs and cows. Then produced collagen is extracted and dried. Ever wondered how to make collagen drink at home? Just add gelatin to your drink. Gelatin is easy to digest and absorb. Many people report rapid benefits by eating gelatin. Don't hope your wrinkles or joint discomfort to vanish right away, but a serve of gelatin daily can do wonders for your well-being. 2. Bone broth. How to make collagen at home. Make bone broth. Yes, bone broth is produced by boiling the bones and connective tissues of cows and pigs. When these tissues are boiled, the collagen is released into water. This is why bone broth gels. Producing bone broth is quite easy and inexpensive. Drink a hot mug of bone broth each morning because it is one of the best collagen-rich foods for joints. You also can get chicken feet collagen from chicken feet soup. 3. Egg whites. Egg whites are incredibly abundant with the amino acids glycine and proline, which are the primary elements of collagen. By consuming egg whites, you'll give the body the amino acids it requires to build collagen. 4. Garlic. Sulfur is a trace mineral that assists synthesize and stop the breakdown of collagen. Garlic and its own close cousins shallots, leeks, chives, and onions would be the greatest herbs rich in collagen. Therefore don't hesitate to include them to your dishes liberally. Garlic is the easy to get one of the collagen foods for skin from the kitchen pantry. 5. Spirulina. Spirulina is a kind of blue-green algae which is well known as one of the best anti-aging food list. 1 teaspoon of spirulina has even more glycine and proline than a huge egg white. Spirulina is a good way to obtain copper, and copper is among the minerals very important to forming collagen. The drawback of spirulina supplement is little pricey and they don't taste very good. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are among the richest plant sources of zinc, which acts as a cofactor for collagen synthesis. Research proven taking zinc may help reduce the amount of collagen breakdown. Zinc also among the foods to improve skin elasticity. Zinc also assists wound recovery, and maintain healthier cell membranes, that makes zinc a vital nutrient for skin health. Other plant-based sources of zinc include almonds, cashew, walnuts, kidney beans, spinach, and chickpeas. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.